In this tutorial, we're going to learn about strings in Python. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Single quotes and double quotes are used to represent a string with a single line. Triple quotes are used to represent strings with multiple lines. As you can see, we've created 3 different strings using different quote styles. The print function is used to display the string on the console. Now that we know how to create strings in Python, let's try concatenating 2 strings. We can concatenate 2 strings using the plus operator. Here, we've created 2 strings str4 and str5 and concatenated them to create a new string str6. The print function displays the concatenated string on the console. That's it for this tutorial. We've learned how to create strings in Python and concatenate them. Keep practicing and happy coding.